Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a closet remodelization video, something a little different on my channel. This is my closet before. We just recently moved into this new house and we've hung up what we could hang up in the closet, and then all of the rest of it is right here on the floor. So today I am doing Operation Clean Out. We are going to be cleaning everything out of this closet. We are changing out the carpet out of here, and we are painting the walls, and we're redoing the whole closet, and also this light fixture here. I want to get a nice chandelier, and this is the before of what the room looks like. A mess, a hot mess. So let's go ahead and get started cleaning this room, this closet out. Alright, so here's day 2. I have my little helpers moving things out of the closet into another room. But as you can see, this is what we had before when we first moved in. Not enough. There's a lot of space, but they did not utilize this closet like they should have. So once everything is out of here, we're going to, fill in those holes like that, putty them, and then I'm going to paint inside here. And then next will be these floors, taking up this carpet, doing the floors, and then also getting my chandelier. Let me show you what the light is before. It's just a light bulb, really. It's just a light bulb in here, so it'll be a nice chandelier. The baby's crying. So this is day 2, the progress for day 2. All right, so now we have Daddy in here, who took all of the ones. That was literally for the video. I forgot to get to record taking that stuff down, so he took all of the brackets down, and this is the bare closet with nothing in it, but
a vent.
There's a vent.
An air vent.
There's an air vent. Air vent and a light bulb.
Wait,
but there's no electrical outlets in here, huh? No.
No. Not please.
No. But this is what we're working with. Right here. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, so I'm actually just going ahead and painting the spots that Micah puttied up for us. So here I'm just spot painting, and then my sons came in and finished the whole room for me. They painted the whole room. Andre did the walls, and then AJ taped off everything, and then I had my little nephew come in, and he actually painted the corners and around the light thingy, the light fixtures and all that. He did that, but this is the finished product. The color is Sherwin-Williams Agreeable Gray. I love how light and airy the closet came out. The paint color is perfect. Eventually I want to do my whole house this color. It's beautiful. So now we're on to the floors. I had somebody come in and do it. He's actually a cousin of my dad's. He came in and did the floors. He ripped out the floors and he put in the new floors for us, and I love the way the floors came out. It was exactly what I intended it to be, and that's exactly how it came out. I love, love, love it. So here's the finished floors here. The floors is from Stein's. Stein's is a local place we have here that sells lumber, so you can check your place. I don't remember the name of it, but it is from Stein's. I wanted the gray look, and I got the gray look. So now we're on to the chandelier. Micah's hanging the chandelier. I wanted something to be very, very bright in our closet, and because this space is small, it worked out perfect for this area. This is how the actual chandelier is and how it looks now that it's lit up. Now I had my closet custom made. A lady by the name of Samantha owns a company called Shelve It. She came in and designed my closet, and it took about 3 weeks to get it back in. She measured it, designed it, and got it installed for me. I am beyond excited, beyond pleased with her customer service, with the prices that she gave me was very reasonable. I loved it all, so I highly recommend her. Okay guys, so this is the finished closet. So I got her to add these to my closet, which is basically some rods that we can actually pull out, and we put our clothes of what we're going to wear for that day. It's going to be here. I think it's called a valet rod, but you pull this out and you hang your clothes of whatever you're going to wear that day. So I have one for my side, and Micah has one for his side, and then I also added this to the order, which is a belt clip, so he can roll his belts and have his, you know, whatever belts he wants to wear that day. He can do that. She does offer tie racks as well, but we had already had a tie rack. So this closet, sorry, if you see the shadow, that's just the chandelier spinning and turning. This closet should hold a total of 222 pieces of clothes in it. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting some of these clothes into the closet. And she also told me that pants go on top, tops go on bottom. So I'm gonna see how I can remember to do it that way. But yeah, I love my closet. Definitely worth the investment. Oh, and I also got 2 drawers. These are some pretty big drawers. They're pretty deep. This is for like my swimsuits and stuff. So yeah, that's what we have. All right guys, so here's the big reveal of my closet now that everything is put in and done. Let's go. Here's my closet. My chandelier is doing a disco ball turn. But after all my clothes and stuff are in, this is all of my side of the closet. I tried color coordinating it as much as I could. So my yellow shirts, my red shirts, my blue jean shirts, blue shirts. Those are not staying there. They're just there for right now. Leopard, and then all my bottoms are at the top. My work jackets are here, all of my dresses and long items, my shoes, my heels. Micah has not put his stuff up here yet, his shoes, and his side is not completely done, but he does have some clothes in here. I used all the hangers, so he ran out of I ran out of hangers for him. So I have some on order from Amazon now, but I wanted all the same color hangers throughout my closet, which is the gray one. So I am so happy. This closet is like more than what I could have imagined it to be. So I'm happy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed watching me redo this closet, remodel this closet. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we get 'em. Why we do it? Why we do it?